Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom, back with a new week of what I cooked and ate for dinner. If you are new here to my channel, I do have an entire playlist of these videos from over the years linked in the description box down below. I am starting off this video by doing a marinade by the McCormick brand. I love these Grill Mates marinades, and this garlic, wine, and herb one is really good. I actually went ahead and marinated the chicken right before I left for work in the morning, so it had all day to sit in the marinade and ready for me to grill when I got home. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing all the things we cooked and ate for dinner this week. So in this dinner, I had some nice fresh Italian bread that I just cut into thick slices and put a little butter on, and we actually grilled it right with the veggies and the chicken. It was really good. All right, guys, we did our entire dinner on the grill tonight. So we've got 3 marinated chicken breasts. This is in a McCormick. I think it's the wine, garlic, and herb marinade. And some grilled veggies, and then we had some Italian bread that my mother-in-law brought over a couple days ago, so it's getting a little foggy. We just buttered it and grilled it right on the grill. So yeah, this is what we're having tonight, guys. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's plated. Alright guys, so I've got veggies, 2 pieces of Italian bread, a chicken breast, and Matt's got the same thing, and we have 1 left, which we may or may not end up splitting. And if we don't need it, then I'll just save this and use it for meal prep for like a couple salads. And then a little piece of bread left. So yeah, this is dinner tonight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, getting ready to fire up the grill. You guys know, if you've been with me for a while, spring, summer, and fall, we do a lot of grilling. So I have my grill pan lined as always, and I've got green pepper, orange pepper, zucchini, some onion, some red cabbage, and I think that's it. And I tossed it in some avocado oil, salt, pepper, Mrs. Dash, salt-free garlic and herb seasoning, and then garlic powder. So we're going to get this on. We're going to get some locally made kielbasa on the grill and bring it all together. Alright guys, so we've got our locally made White Eagle kielbasa. I went extra heavy on my veggies as I usually do. I have one of these breadsticks. It's like a garlic breadstick. And Matt has the same thing, but 2 breadsticks. And I actually made extra veggies on purpose so I can have some for leftovers tomorrow. And we're going to have some homemade, it's like a sweet and spicy mustard that my father-in-law's friend makes and gives us jars of. It's really good. It's also really good with pretzels, but it's going to be really good on the kielbasa. So yeah guys, this is our easy grilled dinner tonight, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, I've got some sweet and spicy Korean beef going. The white in there, the white chunks in there are water chestnuts. So I'm sauteing up a big pan. I did a little extra because I'm hoping I can have leftovers for lunch tomorrow. And then I've got snow peas, mushrooms, and shredded carrot that I'm going to saute up in just a little bit of avocado oil and salt and pepper and a little garlic powder, and just like a quick veggie side. And then I've got my green onions that I have to slice up, the white parts, to top the Korean beef with, and then I'll make some sticky rice. So that's what's going on right now for dinner tonight. P.S. guys, I do have a video on this that I did a long time ago. It's a very easy recipe, so I'll leave the link below. If you don't want to serve it over rice, you could also take this mixture and serve it in lettuce, like in romaine, like almost like a lettuce wrap. This is really good with that as well. So I've got the veggies. I just turned the heat on. A little avocado oil. I'm going to add some salt, pepper, and garlic powder and let this saute. So here is how the sweet and spicy Korean beef came out. There's some nice water chestnuts in there. I'll leave the recipe down below, and some sticky rice, and the veggies were delicious. It was really good, and I had enough for leftovers for lunch the next day. So this night, guys, I made breakfast for dinner. I used some cinnamon swirl French toast, and then I made some Hormel Black Label bacon and my hash brown casserole, which I'll link the recipe to down below. And my brother was here, which is why there are 3 plates, but it was really good, and this was dinner tonight. So this night was Mother's Day. We had a barbecue at my parents' house with my in-laws and a couple other family friends. We did the brick chicken, which is an Ina Garden recipe on the grill. It's a whole chicken, and the grill marks are just insane. My mom made coleslaw, and she made potato salad. Her and I made pretty much the same potato salad, so I'll link my recipe below. I also made some pasta salad as well, and here is a final look at the chicken cut up. It's really moist and juicy, and we just did it casual style, paper plates. It was kind of crappy weather, so we had to go inside and eat. And then there were 2 big boxes of baked goods from a local bakery. They were all so delicious. We all ended up splitting them. Hey guys, it's about 11:30 and I'm actually home between jobs and came home to eat lunch really quick, and I actually thought I would just throw dinner into the crock pot. So I had ground beef thawed out. I had 2 shallots already diced up because I wanted everything to be ready for me to cook up really quick because I only have a limited amount of time on lunch break. So I came home, I got my ground beef fried up with my shallots that were prepped. I drained all the fat, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw this into the crock pot so it can cook for about 6 hours until I get home from work. So I've got Muir Glen diced tomatoes, a small can of corn, some dark red kidney beans, and then some tomato sauce. And I'm gonna use this chili seasoning mix. So I'm just gonna dump everything into the crock pot along with the meat. I'll show you what it looks like when I stir it up, and then put the top on, set it on low for 6 hours, and then head back to work. Alright guys, I have got my chili all mixed together with all the items I showed you guys. So I'm gonna set this for 6 hours on low like I mentioned. If you're curious about these, I've been using them for years. They're the Reynolds slow cooker liners. I usually get them at Walmart. They seem to have the best price. And then later, all I will have to do when I get home from work around 5:45 is just boil up some elbow noodles, because I serve my chili like chili mac style over elbow noodles, and then we put like a little sharp cheddar cheese on top. So if my husband gets home before me, which he probably won't because this is his busy season at work, I'll have him stir it, and then if not, it'll be fine on low until I get home. So yeah, really easy crock pot dinner tonight. I'll show you guys what it looks like later on when it all gets plated up. Alright guys, chili is done. It looks delicious and smells amazing. I've got our bowls here, some fresh Italian bread. So I'm going to go plate everything up and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay guys, so here is our plates. Matt likes some sharp cheddar cheese on top of his. I'm going to go just plain because I just like the taste of the chili. And then there's elbow noodles on the bottom. Matt's going to have 2 pieces of this soft Italian bread with butter. I like my bread with no butter, and my son is having a piece of bread and he's having some of the elbow pasta with a little tiny bit of butter. He will not eat the chili, unfortunately. But yeah, this is our dinner tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is pretty late. It's about 6 o'clock and I just got changed into comfy clothes, got my son all situated, and just kind of winding down from after work. And I am going to make a Home Chef meal tonight. This video is not sponsored at all by Home Chef. I genuinely do like and use their meals. I've actually been using their meals about once a month. I make an order, and even though I do work with them and they do sponsor some of my videos, this video is not sponsored at all by them. So the dinner I am making tonight is this pork samosa bowl, and this is one of their Home Chef Express meals. And what that means is the prep and cook time combined is just 15 minutes. And tonight, getting a little bit of a late start, I didn't get home for a little bit later than usual. So like I said, it's 6 o'clock now. And I'm gonna start this, and in 15 minutes, it will be plated up. The meat is all packaged separately, all the ingredients, even condiments and little tiny items like spices, everything is always packaged in here. So I really do like their service a lot. So let me go ahead, whip this up. I'm gonna brown up the ground pork and pull it all together, and I will show you guys how it looks when it's all done. Really quick guys, I wanted to mention something. I've had a bunch of my subscribers comment this past week on my videos saying that they weren't getting notifications that I had posted and they had missed several of my videos. So to avoid that from happening, make sure you click the little bell icon next to my homepage where it says subscribed. Click that little bell and you'll get a notification that'll pop up on your phone informing you that I uploaded a video. I normally upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then sometimes I'll throw in a bonus video on another day of the week. But yes, I have been posting consistently, so I wanted to mention that for anybody who didn't know. So I'm just putting on the finishing touches, a sauce with cilantro and lime juice that I made to go along with it. It came out really good, guys. It was really easy, especially this one being the express meal. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I cooked for dinner this week. Once again, if you're looking for more ideas, I have an entire playlist of these videos linked in the description box down below from over the years. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.